Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new guide video of TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of sharing your Spotify playlist with someone on different platforms. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into the video. First of all, head over to the playlist that you want to share, and now you can just tap and hold the playlist, and on the bottom you should get an option of share. Just tap on the share option and you can share it to different platforms that are given, or you can also copy in the link. This way you can share it to any other platform that is not shown. Other than this, you can also invite them as collaborators, so this way the other person you're sharing the list can also make changes to the playlist. So depending upon which option do you want, if you don't want the other person to make any changes to the playlist, you can choose the first method which I just showed you. The second method is you'll need to open up the play and tap on the three dots right here, and here you'll have an option called invite collaborators. You can tap on it and similarly this interface will open up where you can tap on any of these platforms or tap on copy link. Now this way, whenever you share this link or share this playlist to the other person, that person can also make changes to the existing playlist. So they can remove and add songs to this playlist. So those are the two ways that you can share Spotify playlist with someone or with your friends. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.